What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to give you 6 cool things you can do with an Android TV box. On number 1, you can watch live and on-demand videos on streaming platforms like YouTube and Netflix. On number 2, you can connect your pay TV like DSTV so that you'll be able to watch your TV content online. And on number 3, you can play games. All you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store and download the games that you want to play, and you connect your Game Pass and to be able to enjoy your games on the Android TV box. And on number 4, you can also browse the internet on your Android TV box. There is a browser that will come pre-installed on your Android TV box, and you can go there to your browser and browse the internet using your Android TV box. And on number 5, you can also watch content stored on an external storage device like a USB thumb drive. So all you need to do is to connect that USB thumb drive and you'll be able to access any content that will be on that drive. And last but not least, on number 6, you can also attend business meetings or classrooms using the different applications that are there like Zoom. So this is it. These are some of the things that you can do with your Android TV box. The list is endless, but I just took the best 6 today. All right, okay, so like always, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you have liked this video, and if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe so that you'll see all our future videos. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.